Rain and thunder moving across the state for tonight. Great moisture. The drawback is lightning this time of the year triggers fires. Let's hope that's not the case. Copper Mountain, we have a little bit of lightning activity, but most of this is going to be cold rain, or at the higher elevations like near this chairlift, more like snowfall. Salina, some thunderstorms around the area, and it's a typical kind of ominous sky that we're all going to see at one point for today. A little bit quiet down across the southwestern corner. The northeast is quiet right now, but the thunderstorms are moving your way. Strongest storms now are centered around Pueblo, and that is closer to where the tornado watch has been issued for today. But for most of the Front Range in Denver, we're not worried about tornadoes. We're just going to watch out for the lightning, maybe some small hail and some gusty winds. A little bit closer to the Front Range. Strongest storms to us are still south of Colorado Springs. There's some weaker thunderstorms from Vail over Copper Mountain, over the divide near Fairplay, and just west of Castle Rock. In fact, closer to Roxborough Park is a thunder shower that'll be moving over Denver within the next couple of hours, and then spreading to the north near Greeley and Fort Collins throughout this evening. So we have several more hours to go. In fact, let's go back to noon. This is when you're eating lunch. Not nearly as many thunderstorms. Let me press play here, and we'll go forward in time. The thunderstorms are developing, so there's more numerous thunderstorms out there. The clouds are also popping up as well, and they're all moving towards Denver, Greeley, Sterling, Burlington, and Lyman. So that's what we're expecting for this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures will be not necessarily cooling off just yet. That will happen this weekend, but not with this storm system. 81 in Grand Junction, 72 in Denver, and under those bigger thunderstorms in Pueblo, it's still 68 degrees. Across the Front Range, if you're about to go out, pick the kids up from school, 76 in Brighton, a bit cooler in Fort Collins at 63. Boulder is 66, and we'll continue to watch these temperatures dropping tonight, along with some rainfall. So in Boulder, if you're going to be eating dinner out or anywhere across the Front Range, an umbrella might be a good item to have handy. Futurecast between now and 5 to 6 o'clock. The thunderstorms starting to spread across the area. This is 6 o'clock as we go towards 8. Starting to move to the north from Fort Collins to Bennett, down to the south near Elizabeth. And by 10, they start to scoot on out of here with some leftover rain. Sadly, we're not going to have a lot of rain. If you run out to your rain gauge, maybe more like 1/10 of an inch, if that. But the thunder and lightning is what we will be watching closely because of that fire threat. On the state view, there's that line of thunderstorms I showed you with the live radar going into the future. At 10 o'clock, they're across the northeastern plains. By tomorrow morning, they're out of here with some light mountain snow remaining. That will be it. Temperatures for you tonight, 30s in the high country, 40s on the plains. 45 in Denver, so again, not a big temperature drop just yet. Tomorrow, we'll watch for a bit of a quieter day. Thunderstorms across the east, some light snow over the mountains, so at least we still have the moisture around. Temperatures will be cooler, 60s and 70s on the plains, 40s and 50s in the high country. But Ann, this is just wave number 1. As we go into the weekend, an increasing chance of rain, which is great, and also maybe some accumulating snow by Sunday into Monday.
Really?
So we're just getting started. We'll have another forecast at 5, and we'll talk more about that weekend.